Today, we are going to learn about the Microsoft Word interface. If you're a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the screen of Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Opening Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word opens, you will see a blank document. Double-click here. Now, let's understand the different parts of the Microsoft Word screen. At the very top, you can see the title bar. The title bar shows the name of the document, the name of the application, Microsoft Word. If the document is not saved, it will show Document 1. Next to the title bar, you can see small icons. This is called the Quick Access Toolbar. It usually includes Save, Undo, Redo. Below the title bar, you can see a long bar with many options. This is called the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into tabs such as Home, Insert, Layout, References. Each tab contains different tools. The Home tab is the most commonly used tab. Here you can change font style and size, make text bold, italic, or underline, change text color, align text left, center, or right. Most basic typing work is done using the Home tab. Inside each tab, tools are arranged into small sections. These sections are called ribbon groups. Ribbon groups help us find tools easily. In some ribbon groups, you can see a small arrow at the bottom right corner. This small arrow is called the dialog box launcher. When you click the dialog box launcher, a new window opens. This window shows more detailed options. It gives advanced settings that are not shown directly on the ribbon. Font dialog box. Here you can change font effects, character spacing, advanced text settings. Document area. The large white space in the middle is called the document area. This is where we type our text. You can click anywhere and start typing. At the top and left side of the document, you may see the ruler. The ruler helps to set margins, align text, adjust paragraphs. On the right side, you can see the scroll bar. The scroll bar helps you move up and down through long documents. On the bottom right corner, you can see the zoom control. You can zoom in to see text clearly, or zoom out to see the full page. Understanding the interface is the first step to using Word easily and confidently. In the next video, we will learn how to type and save a document in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.